Hello, Algebra students. Today is Tuesday, and we're going to call it Try It Again Tuesday. We talked about multi-step equations in class today, and so we're going to look at some multi-step mistakes. And you're going to write these on page 25. What I'm going to do is solve this equation, but I am going to intentionally make a mistake. And I want you to figure out what the mistake is, and for each problem, you're going to send me a post on Edmodo and tell me what the mistake was in problems 1, 2, and 3. So this is problem number 1. As I work it out, figure out where the mistake was, and then send that to me in the post. So we'll start by 19a, and 3 times a is negative 3a, and negative 3 times negative 6 is minus 18 equals 66. And so I combine like terms and I get 16a minus 18 equals 66. So I add 18 to both sides and I get 16a equals 66 plus 18 equals 84. And so I divide both sides by 16. And a equals, I'm going to use my handy dandy calculator, 84 divided by 16 equals 5.25. Here is question number 2. 3/4 times the quantity of n plus 3 equals 9. Again, I'm going to solve this one and intentionally make a mistake, and you have to tell me what the mistake is. So the first thing I'm going to do, this is positive 3/4, so I'm going to subtract 3/4 from both sides. And that leaves me with n plus 3 equals 8 and 1/4. And then I subtract 3 from both sides, and I get n equals 5 and 1/4. And for our last problem on Try It Again Tuesday, I have negative 31 equals 8 minus 6p minus 7p. So the first thing I need to do is combine like terms. So negative 31 equals 8 minus 13p. And now I'm going to add 8 to both sides. Those cancel out, and I'm left with negative 31 plus 8 is negative 23, right? Equals negative 13p. And so I divide by negative 13 on both sides. And I'm left with p equals 23 over 13. And I'm just going to leave that as an improper fraction because I cannot simplify it anymore. And just as a final reminder, remember to send to me a direct post, not to everybody, just to me, that tells me what mistake I made. You can just describe the mistake and in the post, and that'll be great.